So today we're going to do another look, of course, and I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution palette, same base, but just going to do it a little bit differently. So glasses off. I must say I changed the batteries in my hearing aids this morning. It sounds funny. Sounds so different. Just to freshen up. Had a problem with my computer this morning, so what did I do? Silly me. I did a recovery. Yeah. I have just spent the last, 10:30, hour and a half fiddling with it. Oh, I didn't get a tissue, excuse me. When I say a tissue, I've got a fistful. And so after fiddling with my batteries in my hearing aid, I put them in back to front. Then I had to get the magnifying glass out to see just what I was doing, because I'm not just deaf, I'm also blind, and couldn't really see what I was doing. So I still couldn't tell. So I put the batteries in, tried them, no, not working. Oh dear, oh dear. Took the batteries out, turned them around, worked. I got the directions, the instruction book, and was looking at it, and it said look for a plus sign. Do you know how big those batteries are? They're not much bigger than a pea. So, not like the ones you can buy in Woolworths or Coles or in the supermarket. These ones are small, like little dots. Okay, I have a hair. Get off. So this is the palette I'm using. Took down. And I thought I might do, no, greens, oranges. I might do oranges. So we're going to do the orange. Get a brush, not you, and get you. And all over the lid, I will do this one here. I don't know why, but I have been having trouble sleeping. So, what I've been doing is watching YouTube videos, not YouTubes, on my iPad. So I go to bed, watch YouTube videos. Hello, he's just come back. Watch YouTube videos for hours. I think it was this one here I'm going to do. I think it was, I don't know, 2:30 when I finally decided, oh, for goodness sake, put the thing down and go to sleep. But I've been having a lot of trouble trying to sleep. And then, of course, what am I doing? I'm waking up late. Do we like that? Do a bit of blending. I'll use my Morphe brush. I believe it's a Morphe, yes it is. This is the boring bit. Just do a bit of blending. Okay, that one on the inside. I'll get another brush. This brush I'll use this one. Okay, and just for a bit of difference, I'll use this brush. Just take this in to the centre. Just to give it a bit of lift. Yeah, that works. How do we like that? I'd like it even better if I didn't have a hair on my eye. Okay. Now, I'm going to try and get that hair. I think I got it. I'm going to use this green. And I'll just use it on the inside. And bring it down a bit. Ow. That's better. That green. Okay, that's that. Next, I'm going to do a bit of this one, purple. You can't see, it's the purple. Take a bit of that, run it along the lid. Put the brush in my eye, that works. Underneath. Smudge it out in the corner. This one. Just along the lid. Underneath. How's that? Itchy nose. That looks nice. Different. Now this is my Rimmel Wake Me Up mascara. Excuse the sniffing. do my eyebrows well, I think. Makeup Revolution eyebrow pencil. That's it. Do I need it under my eyes, do you think? No, I'll just do a second coat. Now, just as a suggestion, now, I think you're probably better off if you can get a palette like that. Now, this was, I think, $13 from Priceline. Makeup Revolution is a good brand. So you can have, in one palette, you can have countless looks. Whereas if you buy the miniature one, or singles, not a lot you can do with them. Okay, blush. I'm going to use my, excuse me, I'll come back to the eyes in a minute. Who are you? MAC, it is. MAC powder blush. Don't need a lot. Just gently. And with the other side, just gently. That. Do I look clownish? Oh, okay, that's that. Now, I didn't get a brush for you. You will do. Maybe. There's my bullet brush. There he is. Sorry. This is my Dream Lumi highlighting concealer that's nearly empty. Just underneath. Take it up there. Down there. Out there. Nose. Here's my bullet brush. This is out of my kabuki brushes. That hair is still there. The same with this one. gets worse. I will get that hair. I think I did get that hair. Lips. Now I still have my cold sore. I wish whoever who gave it to me in the first place. And I don't mean this one. I mean the virus. Now that's a nice look. That's very nice. I like that. It's different. Yeah. So there we have. Oh no, I didn't do. We don't have it. This is my Revlon Colorstay. Now this I like. It is a really, really nice one. I think I've said it once before. It has the doe foot on the end. The hair back, deafen myself. There you have it. That's it. Simple, easy, doesn't take long. Thanks for watching. Beautiful.